Okay, welcome again. I hope that Eagle's flight gave you some inspiration, motivation to get to your next levels, right? Okay, let's get on to this. So you would have realized by now that there are various mindset elements that were provided to you, as mentioned earlier, right? Now, what we're going to discuss is a digital kit that you would want to keep around you, besides all the respective inspirational, motivational ones that we discussed earlier. You can download the goal card from here, right? There is a link down below. Print it out, write in your own handwriting, right? What your goal is going to be, as we discussed earlier. The higher self, power of tuning to your higher self. There's an ebook download here. You can click on that and take your piece as well. Once you do that, you will be able to go through the details of what I have been speaking previously and relate to it accordingly, right? So that you continue with your respective journey, and your vibration and emotions can get to a higher mode, so that you develop your PQ accordingly. Okay. Then there is a wall placard as well, which you can use for putting up there. It could be a rise up placard right in front of you. You can get a screenshot of this and then just put it there. Right, it will keep on reminding you where you want to go. Okay, and here Mr. Earl Nightingale and the Eagle's flight that you've been seeing previously. So this becomes your digital kit that you should do almost every day of your life for next 90 days. All right, if you really want to see a success out of you, and you really have the urge to do that. If not, I would still say you go about listening to that and hearing and seeing these things and using them the way it is to build that urge for you, right? The world is moving very fast, guys. Okay, you need to do this. Right, now you see on the screen you see one of the bigger kind of figures, right? Now this is a continuous improvement chart, right? It's called the loop of infinity and abundance. Now, this you can only relate to if you've gone through the book, all right, the higher self. Now, quickly as a takeaway from here, because the whole explanation is a deeper explanation to understand what it means, right? My suggestion is go through the book so that you get deeper into it. The purpose here is fourfold, right? While you read the book also, and what have you been gauged, or rather gauging up till now, is to know yourself, right? That's first thing. Number two, what sort of capacity you can build to give and take. You remember the service I was talking about, sales as a service, right? So service is something you give, right? Acceptance is in a monetary format, an obligation, or some kind of a reverse service that you can go about taking and imbibing, right? Now, whatever you anticipate accepting, or something your system can accept, you need to give double the more. All right? You get it? Give double to get at least single back. If you want happiness, get a bunch of your people in your house, create their happiness. In the process, they become happy, 4 of them, or maybe more, whatever that number is. They will pass on their happiness on to you. It comes in fourfold, right? Similar is the case in the world. So that's the second point. Third point, any blocks that happen, get away from it. You heard how the eagle went away, right? For its eagle's flight. Avoid blocks. You don't have to die out there. And die, I don't mean literally, right? Die here would mean that your personality coming down, or creating you unmotivated for some things, or somebody saying something to you and putting your kind of personas to effect, and so on and so forth, right? Get away from such people who are toxic. Get into your own mode. Get on with the public and people that you want to surround yourself with. Be it YouTube videos of the right kind of people, Earl Nightingale kind of videos that you want to see, and so on and so forth. You jump back, get your vibration up, get to the scale that you want to. That's the third thing. Fourth thing. Now, there's so much negativity around. You don't anymore know what positivity is, right? But if you know your passion the way you know, right, and it's aligned with your ultimate goal, right, guess what happens to you? You will automatically surround yourself with the right kind of people to get there, because your mission is larger than yourself now, right? Once you do that, the passion gets aligned. Your nature is the system around you, will give you positivity to continue with it. All right, that's what you need to do. That is the purpose of this everyday kit, right? Don't take it lightly. Please do it. This is part of your creating a mindset for success and the goal that you want to reach. And aim for the stars. Be the monk. All right. See you on the next one.